Hey guys, welcome back to another video. My name is Mari for those of you who don't know. So today's video is going to be how to achieve a slick bun. I use this comb. It's one with a partidura and one to slick your hair back. I don't know what it's called. Please don't judge me. So what I like to do is I like to split my hair, not in half, to this side, just like so. So then next I grab this Schwarzkopf Smooth and Shine gel. It's a weightless styling gel. It has black seed oil and coconut oil. It smells pretty good. It doesn't harden your hair. It just helps you slick it back or slick it to wherever you want. So then next I just grab a little bit of the product with the tip of my fingers and I just drag it through the top of my hair, and then I grab the brush that I showed you guys in the beginning, and then I just start slicking it like so. And I just grab it as I go. Grab it with my fingers as I go. And if I need a little bit more of that product, I grab some with the tip of my fingers, not with my hand. And I make sure my hairs, all my baby hairs, are slicked. And then I just start slicking it. I make sure I make a little curve right here on my forehead, and then I just slick it all back until I like the way it looks. Keep going, keep going. Make sure it's tight as well, that you have that you feel it tight, because if you don't, then it's not gonna look good. Make sure all my baby hairs all the little strands of baby hairs are tamed. Okay, so then I start grabbing the rest of my hair. Oh my gosh, there was a fly that just passed by. I think I need a little bit more on this side right here. Okay, so then now that my hair is slicked, I grab a hair tie. I keep the hair tie on my wrist so it's easier. And then I just start tying my hair. Like so. And then I just look wherever my hair needs work. Okay. And then I grab another hair tie. Well, first I grab my hair and I twist it, and then I start forming the bun like so. Make sure that bun is tight. You don't want your hair to be loose with this tight bun. That's why it's called a tight bun. And you just tie it, and then you look where you need some of that gel, which I need it back here. Keep at it. I don't really use bobby pins. Feel free if you need bobby pins, but I don't think I need any as of right now. Some women do use bobby pins. And just start fixing your hair wherever it needs to get fixed. And there it is, a quick, easy little hair tutorial. This is my go-to actually when I don't have time to get ready. Sometimes I just do my makeup and I don't have time to do my hair. I do a bun, and with the bun it's just, you just literally can get out the shower and just slick it and do the bun. There you go, ladies. This is how my finished bun looks. It's a cute style. I love it so much. I use this to the gym. I use it when I dress up, when I dress down. There really isn't any preference for this hairstyle. It's really clean and it keeps the hair out of your face. I love this. This is my go-to. I like to you know, do this when I'm in a rush, when I need to go somewhere, when I'm dressy and I don't have time to do my hair. I just do a bun. And there you go. So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Please don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, and please share and comment. Thank you guys for watching, for supporting me. See you guys in the next video. Bye.